broadcast. Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone. Let me try and adjust this volume. Still no voice. Gotta stop smoking. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. Oof. Monster. Hang on. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Still way too loud. There we go. April the 6th, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. The euro once again continues to plow ahead. Wow. Factory orders out of Germany exploding 2.4%. The euro, once again, as we said, continuing to barrel through until the big event tonight. We are less than 18 hours away from Jean-Claude Trichet and the ECB starting to raise rates. He's been smoking lots of good things in order to get to this point. And let me tell you something. Euro yen, euro sterling, euro dollar, all looking like the mother of all sell on the news events. First, we did have some numbers that came out last night. We did have Australia. Home loans down 5.6%. But again, with all their disasters over there, it's hard to really claim that's an economic deal or a situational downturn. House price index out of London, up 0.1. Supposed to be up 0.2, no big deal there. Swiss CPI much hotter. How about that Euro Swiss tanking? I'm liking that Euro Swiss short. The CPI very hot out of Switzerland. London, big disappointment numbers out of manufacturing zone. Revision was even lower to up 0.9, 0.3 in manufacturing industrial production respectively. And the numbers for this month were only up 0, donut, versus up 0.6, and industrial production is supposed to be up 0.4, coming in at down 1.2%. But of course, the pound came back nicely as we see the dollar just really starting to break down here now. Big breakdown level. Look at this dollar index, the Dixie. I got to tell you, I'm looking at 75 easy. That's really not much. Now, should we break through 75, we're talking easy now, 2009 lows. If you measure the move, we clearly go down there. So tomorrow is a huge day. Huge. Eurozone final GDP up 0.3% in line. As I said, German factory orders to me, the big number, and the Canadian Ivy. Wow. 73.2 people. Huge number. GDP estimate out of Nicer up 0.7. Another good thing. Crude inventories out of the U.S. up 2 million barrels. That's not good. Gold, silver, oil, all up. The stock market up big, 33 points. Oh, my goodness. To the moon. Look at this stock market. It's a weekly chart. I got to tell you, it's looking like 1380. It's looking like 1380 on the S&P. I mean, listen, look where we closed in the spoos. Climbing this wall of worry, ready to explode. And I'm a bear. I think we could have a monster outside candle where we're up huge, and then collapse. That's what I'm thinking. So, when we look at this chart, I'm sorry, listen, I'm a bear, but this is just too strong. We couldn't even roll over today. Even Portugal, at the end of the day, bad news. Portugal looking forward to get more money from other nations. That's not good. But the euro doesn't care. Euro's not going down until one thing, the ECB. Oh, baby. Talk about the mother of sell on the news events. Now, before that, we do have plenty of numbers coming out. Absolutely. We got some good numbers. Where is it? Come on. Hey, where'd she go? Sorry. Oh, look at that. I'm not even in the box. Un momento. I got to get my chart out. I don't know where it is. Come on. I have to get a different one. The exit. See if that didn't just screw everything up. Hang on one second. No, not that. Bada bing, bada boom. But again, you look at this S&P chart, and it just, to me, it's got to have that explosion. It's got to have that big monster mama explosion. And then we could come in. No, I did something with it. Oh, tell me I have to do this. This sucks. This really sucks. I just had it up. I don't understand where it went. Help me. All right, lovely. Let me get my indicators now. Sorry, people. But again, you look at this. If you look at this, I could do 5 things at once. Don't worry. And it's just got to go higher. It's climbing this wall, worry. People are trying to short it. It's not working out well. And at some point, you got to give in. And it just seems like people got to throw in the towel. And again, with tomorrow's numbers coming out, if Trichet really, if the S&Ps explode, and believe me, we got plenty of other data coming out. Unemployment claims out of the U.S., building permits out of Canada. We got Bank of England also, but, they're not going to say anything. I doubt. That GDP number, I think, spooked a lot of people, so. But it should be one hell of a day. Hang on, almost there. Da-da-da, bada bing, bada boom. One more. So freaking annoying. Okay, it was a 2-minute problem. All right, so. There, bada bing, bada boom. Bang. Okay, we look at this euro dollar. It's gone, people. To the moon, Alice. And it's all going to be about Jean-Claude Trichet. Does he deliver? Of course he's going to deliver. And we took it out today. Well, actually, wait. I think we nailed it. Just about took it out. And we have to zoom back out on the daily 10-year. And we see this is a monumental move here. This is huge. This thing's going higher. Bottom line. We've now in the euro, if you take a look here, taken out the 61.8% here. And now we're going to go for the long-term one. That's 45. I mean, there's really no other spot you could really say. This is the major retracement because this one is gone. So I think this euro has a chance to spike big tomorrow. Listen, it's only 150 pips from here. But right now, this sucker is gone. And I'm looking for the mother of sell on the news events. Now, what could Trichet say? He could raise rates and say, I'm done. I have no preconditions on anything. No one ever said I was going to raise multiple times. And it's a one-off. Right now, the market is pricing in 2 rate hikes by the ECB. I think he disappoints. I think he says 1 and done. And yes, I may, but who says I'm going to? But when you look at this chart, I don't see how you can be bearish on it. Now up here, hell yeah. But this thing today just broke the hell out. It's gone. Major breakout. It's not many pips, I know, but it's still a decent amount. Now let's look at the Aussie dollar because we have an Australian number we want to talk about, right? Another one, gone. Boy, that was such a fake out yesterday, wasn't it? Oh, baby. Aussie was Betty good to us. This one now is on the way to 105. 105.50. Now, the big question you got to say to yourself, is it going to be a good number? Does it feel safe? I don't know. One thing I do know is it's triple roll, and that means that they pay triple interest on Wednesday, and they're going to run this sucker. I'm flat. They're going to run this Aussie up into the close at 5 o'clock. If they do, I think we sell. There's an hourly chart. On a shorter term basis, hey, listen, this baby get up to That's almost 105. We get up to 105. I mean, come on. Jiminy Christmas. Look at that. We get up here. Oh, I'm selling. Absolutely. Remember, the euro's going to rally, so Euro Aussie is something to play on the upside, even with a good number. This Euro Aussie came in a little bit, I know, but still, I like it. I think this Euro's going to rally at some point today across the board. Euro Sterling still looks good. Yeah, it came in a little bit, but it's gonna if it holds. Remember, ECB, he's gonna raise rates. This thing should not collapse. No way. Again, we look at the daily chart, it looks a little different. Nice day today. Right? Pull back a little bit. Came back though. Yeah, this Portugal problem, but again, that's tomorrow's problem. That's after Trichet problem. Right now we got Trichet in the way. Oh baby. I'm telling you. We do get a Japanese rate decision also, but again, with the problems they're having over in Japan, I don't see how they can do anything. I think they increased 1.1 trillion yen to infrastructure. I mean, you look at cable. One of the things we've been saying is that whole expanding, wedge, whatever you want to call it. 64.50. Say hello. Absolutely. Dollar Swiss. Oh yeah. That one, monster reversal. Look at that outside candle. This, it don't get no better than that. This baby's rolling over now. Now you sell any strength. Absolutely. We actually bought it and made money today. I want to be short that on the close, team. New Zealand continues to explode. Gone like the wind. Bang! We told you not to get sucked into these. And look at this downtrend channel it broke. Ooh. Listen, we have breakouts all over the place. We can now be talking about 82. Or we're going to be at the top of the range again. Bada bing, bada boom. We just had these two extremes to the left and the right. And now we're going to get back to business of just like futzing around, hanging out in this level here and here. See the two extremes. 1, 2. Dollar Canada completely collapsed today. Continues to grind lower without even collapsing. It's unbelievable. No charts? Sorry. At least you get to replay it. Now, it did come back a little bit. And it certainly looks like a little bit of a hammer here. But with that Canadian Ivy number, I think got to sell any strength. Maybe it gets up to like 20 tonight. Again, I like this Euro Canada as a trade. And then reverse. I want to sell the Euro across the board. I mean, look, they're trying to break this sucker out. That's a daily. That's a nice looking chart, Euro Canada. I'm telling you, this Euro, we could be talking Euro Canada 141. I want to be short it long term. I think this baby's going lower. Absolutely. I think we're in a gorgeous channel here. Downtrend wedge. And eventually we're going to get down to 130. And this Euro yen, I don't even know what to tell you. Missed the boat. Look at this. Have you ever? Well, it's been a while since we really saw this kind of action. Straight up. Crazy! It's freaking nuts. I don't know what to say. All I have to say is we have not gotten killed in the ends. We haven't made a lot of money. Tried showing some Aussie yen. Lost a little. Luna yen made some money on the long side. That baby's breaking out. It looks like 124.50. I guess 124.50. Nothing here. So they took out that resistance. I don't even have a major channel line to look at. It's crazy. I mean, we could do a Fibonacci, I guess, from the high here to the low print. And look at this. We're right at the 50% retracement right here. Next stop is 126. I mean, actually got through it. That's about 126. Nuts. Momo. I just can't believe it went from here. I can understand a breakout of this. Just this, I can't believe. Holy gamoly. I mean, we were here. We were there. Dollar yen, speak of. I went long it here. I can't believe. I remember the day. Everyone thought I was nuts. I bought it down here. I can't believe where I bought this thing. Sick. I was down so much I was happy to get even. I started buying it 78.50. Wow. That was some day. But again, break it down to break it out. You want the classic definition of break it down to break it out? This is it. Where can we go? Well, we got a channel, I remember. 86. We said it yesterday. Say hello to my little friend. 86. Oh, that's 90. Hey, where was 86? Oh, the other one. Let's go to show you. We take out 86. We're going to 90. Like a moonshot. Actually, it's about 86.20. Don't tell me channel lines don't work. And this euro now is gone. Euro is a clear buy until Trichet. To the moon. Obviously, the intervention had a lot to do with it, yes. I think it was capitulation. I think there was a lot of things. I don't think the BOJ was the only one involved. I mean, I don't think the central banks were the only ones involved. I think it was almost like they repatriated everything, they locked in, and then they were done. And then the selling pressure in dollar yen was gone. And then traders came involved. Bada bing, bada bang. So, what else? Dollar index, we did. Did the S&Ps, but this dollar index is busted. We go Momo now. Now we go Momo. Momo. Just amazing to me, dollar yen going up like this with the stock market not even going up that much, grinding higher. Amazing. But tomorrow, again, big day tomorrow. Tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we got Australian unemployment, 22,700 is the estimate. Remember, last month, plunging 10,000. You get another bad month. Unemployment rate is supposed to be hold steady at 5%. Again, we got the BOJ press conference probably around 1 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Day one of ECOFIN meetings. Portugal could be headlines coming out from there. Doesn't make a difference until the ECB. German industrial production is supposed to be up 0.6. And then 7 a.m. Eastern, London. Timo will not be in the room, guaranteed then. Maybe. I did dollar Canada, Ron. I'm pretty sure I did. I said it was started hammering. Sell the strength. And then, of course, 7:45. All right, EuroCAD. I said I like EuroCAD. I already showed this. This looks good. Breaking out. Got to be long it. I think it's going up. 8:30 a.m. Eastern is the press conference. That's the key. Building permits out of Canada, 1.6% is the ask. U.S. unemployment claims supposed to still stay below 400,000 at 385. And that's it. It's all about Trichet. It's all about Trichet. Look at this Euro Aussie. Let me tell you, you get a bad number out of Australia, this is the one you want. This is the one that could explode. This baby's come back. You do your Fibonacci retracement from which level, I don't care. Do whatever you want. You want to do the low. It got to about the 50. Boom. You do it from this level. I think it pulled back more. But this still. Boom. Pull back. Boom. Pull back. Boom. Get ready for a Euro explosion tomorrow. Ahead of the number, probably, the event. And then hold your breath. Run around the block for about 30 minutes. Maybe an hour. Come back and sell. 9:30 a.m. it should all be over. I don't know. Third base. But it's going to be exciting. It's a great day to be a currency trader tomorrow because we're going to get even more volatility. And now the euro's broken out. All right, everyone. Stay right there. Andrew Spanton. Trying to get his voice back. Global Markets Radio. The only voice. No free Fridays. No way. The only voice you'll ever need. Go premium, people. Try me out for 1 week. Those of you doubters, try my service for 1 week. I let you do it for free. What harm can there be? You like my stuff? Try my freaking product. Sign up already. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio. Sell this euro, back the truck up only after a monster move up. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Oh, and tomorrow I will.